Unraveling the Meaning, Rep Out, in English. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an interesting topic to discuss. The phrase, representative out. This is a phrase that you might hear in the gym or in fitness circles. But what does it actually mean? Let's break it down together. First, let's understand what rep means. Rep is a short form of the word repetition in the context of exercise and weightlifting. A repetition is one complete movement of an exercise from start to finish. For example, one push-up or one bicep curl would count as one representative. The word out in this context doesn't have its usual meaning. Instead, it's used to express doing something until you can't do it anymore. So, when you representative out, you are doing as many repetitions of an exercise as you can until you are unable to do any more. Now, let's see how we can use representative out in a sentence. Imagine you are in the gym lifting weights, and your trainer tells you to representative out on the last set. This means that for the last set of your exercise, you should do as many repetitions as possible until you can't do any more. Sometimes, you might hear variations of this phrase. For example, someone might say, representative out to failure. This means the same thing. Do repetitions until you can't do any more, until you've reached muscle failure. And that's it. Now you know what representative out means and how to use it in a sentence. We hope this video has been helpful and that you feel more confident using this phrase. Remember, practice makes perfect. And don't forget to representative out on positivity every day. See you in the next video.